Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have planned for you, where we are discussing some important questions of CGL CPO previous year, where we are discussing some important questions of CGL CHSL previous year. So please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let us know about your comments, about your joining as well. Okay, so it's so good to have you all over here, guys. It's so good to have you all over here. So once you join, do let us know. Great. So let's begin the session, guys, and we'll try to do the first question of the day. What it is coming. Let's have a look at it. Here it is, just written in front of you. Guys. Hello, Ritik Raj. How are you? Hello, Shrivani. Very good afternoon. Please do the sharings as well. So that other student can also join us. In the meantime, very quality question, guys. This was asked in CPO examination. A very well made question. I would say a very well made question. Guys, profit is calculated over CP. You know this point? That profit percentage is calculated over CP. Profit percentage is calculated over CP. Profit percentage is calculated over CP, guys. All of you know this, yeah? Profit percentage is calculated over CP. Ritik, uh, the evening is not less than a batch, Ritik. The evening is not less than a batch, yeah? So if you are selling it for, if you are like selling for 607.50 more rupees, can I say I would calculate that this is how much percentage extra profit? Because this much extra over the CP of 3750, hello Rashmi, will directly give me that how much extra profit I am selling at. Extra profit of 607.50 over the CP of 3750. Okay, is how much percentage profit, guys? Extra profit of 607.5 over the CP of this, we can very easily calculate, guys, that this is how much percentage. Simplify by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 12 ja 60, then 15. Simplify by 5, bacha. It's a 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 ja 35, then it's 25, 5 00. So if you closely again simplify it, it will become 1500 and it will become 5 2 ja 10, 21, 5 4 ja 20, 5 3 ja. Okay. Now it's solvable, guys. Now it's solvable. 243 over 1500. However, I should have multiplied by 100 as well to calculate the profit. To calculate the profit. So only 15. Only 15. To calculate the percentage profit, I should have multiplied it by 100 as well. So if I multiply it by 100, then it will become this only. 15 1 ja 15. After it 93, 15 6 ja 90. Then 30, 16.2% extra profit. 16.2% extra profit. 16.2% extra profit. 16.2% extra profit. So, if initial profit was 13%, now you will get 16.2% extra profit. So, your total profit percentage is 29.2%. What a great question. Please do watch out very clearly. Please do watch out very clearly, guys. Well done, Charlie. So what is the funda in the question? The funda in the question is just to find out that this extra profit is how much percentage of the CP. This extra percentage is how much percentage of the CP, which comes out to be 16.2%. So initially you are selling it for 13% profit and now you will sell it for 16.2% more. So ultimately your profit percentage is 29.2%. Is it absolutely clear, bacha? If yes, please do raise your thumbs ups. If yes, please do raise your thumbs ups. Great. Second question of the day. Great. Well done, Rashmi. Well done, Charlie. Guys, you know that no one knows the value of 63. No one knows the value of 67. So you can assume theta anything so that it will become either of 30, 60, 45, 90, whose values we know. So you will assume theta as something so that you can convert into any such value whose values you know. So you are taking theta as 23 so that it will become a value which we knows. It will become a value what we knows. So it is 10 square 48. Now cosec square 42. Guys, what is the complementary of cosec? The complementary of cosec is sec. So sec square 48. Because 42, 48 are complementary angles. 42, 48 are complementary angles. Now, if I take theta is 23, it will become cosec 90. And if I take sec is 23, it will become sec 0. It will become sec 0. It will become sec 0. Okay? So, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So, tan square theta minus sec square theta would be minus 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So, tan square theta minus sec square theta will become minus 1. Sin 90 is 1, so cosec 90 is also 1. Okay. Sec 0. Cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 is also 1. Please do see it. And Charlie was correct, and he was in the starting as well. Charlie is correct, and he given the answer in the starting as well. Mr. Putin, you identified your error. Mr. Putin, you identified your error. Great. Third question of the day. The points A and B are on the ground, are on the opposite side of the tower. A is closer to the foot of tower by 45 meter than B. If the angle of elevations of the top of the tower observed from A and B are given, what is the height of the tower closest to? What is the height of the tower closest to? Please make the correct diagram. Please make the correct diagram. Because whatever the error we do is only in the step of drawing the diagram. Whatever the error we do, guys, is only while making the diagram. Because if you make the diagram correctly, the probability of getting this question will become huge. The probability of clearing this question will become huge. Okay. 2 points A and B are on the ground and on the opposite side of the tower. Opposite side of the tower, very clearly said. Very clearly said that points are on the opposite side of the tower. So I made it on the opposite side of the tower. A is closer. A is closer than B by 42 meter. A is closer than B by 42 meter. So if let's suppose A is a distance of x, then B is at a distance of x plus 42 from the tower. Angle of elevation from A is 60. Okay, very good, bacha. 60. And angle of elevation from farther is 45. As you move away, guys, as you move away, the angle of elevation becomes smaller. Like if you see a hill from near, you have to make a high angle of elevation, and if you see the hill from the farther, you can make a lower angle of elevation. So, guys, 45 says that these two sides should be equal. 45 says that these two sides should be equal. So this is also x plus 42. Because 45 perpendicular and base is in the ratio 1:1. For 45, perpendicular and base is in the ratio 1:1. And 60 says that perpendicular and base should be in the ratio √3:1. So x plus 42 upon x is in the ratio √3:1. So x plus 42 is equal to √3x. 42 is equal to √3 minus 1x. So x is 42 upon √3 minus 1. Rationalize it by √3 plus 1. Rationalize it by √3 plus 1. Rationalize it by √3 plus 1. This will become 3 minus 1, 2. This will become 3 minus 1, 2. 2 will simplify it 21 times. 2 will simplify 21 times. 2 will simplify 21 times. Now, I personally want you to remember the value of √3. Oh, what has happened here? Okay, they are asking the height of the tower. Okay. So, I personally want all of you to remember the value of √3. It is 1.73 plus 1. 21 into 2.73, which is 42. Bacha, what is 21 into 7? What is 21 into 7? Not a very difficult multiplication, 147 points, so 14.7. I think this much is sufficient because options are far. We can say value should be greater than this. We can say value should be greater than this, which is about 56.7. X is 56.7. And what is the height? X plus 42. So 56.7 plus 42 is 8. 98.7. Value should be greater than 98.7. Answer. Do watch out. Hello, Shudesh. Now, why I am saying greater than, bacha? Why I am saying greater than? Why I am saying greater than? Because I have taken it only the consideration of 0.7. I have taken only the consideration of 0.7. But it is actually 0.73. But it is actually 0.73. So, whatever my actual answer will come, answer should be greater than that. Let me show you. Dekho. Isn't it? Clear? Hello Ram, where were you these days? Clear guys? If it is clear, please do let me know. This was. So guys, those who thinks that in SSC examination only easy comes, they are misleaded, yeah? So every kind of question comes, guys, in the SSC examination, yeah? Easy, moderate, tricky, every kind of question comes. Even I was not well yesterday. Even today as well. Just I cannot take a gap from you for 2 days. Yeah, this is like this Mausam. Rashmi is very fast in these kind of problems. Yeah? Rashmi is very fast in these kind of problems. However, she has to be vigilant as well so that she should not do any kind of error. Right circular cone radius is 8. Height is 15. So slant height is going to be 17. Triplet of 8, 15, 17. Triplet of 8, 15, 17. Triplet of 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17 so make a right angle triangle. Total surface area of the cone is pi r L plus r. Total surface area of the cone is pi r L plus r. Whereas curved surface area is only pi r L. Whereas curved surface area is only pi r L. But total surface area is pi r L plus r. But total surface area is pi r L plus r. So they are asking the total surface area pi r L plus r. Pi r L plus r. Radius is 8. Slant height is 17. This is 8. Pi into 8 into 25. 200 pi is the answer. 200 pi is the answer. So curved surface area is pi r L. Curved surface area is pi r L, whereas total surface area is pi r L plus r. Basically it is pi r L plus pi r square. And this pi r square is for this circular extra. This pi r square for this circular extra portion. So when I club this, it will become pi r L plus R. When I club this, it will become pi r L plus R. Okay? And the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. There is one extra information is a semi-vertical angle. There is one more information is semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle. Where is semi-vertical angle, bacha? Where is semi-vertical angle? This is semi-vertical angle alpha. This is semi-vertical angle alpha. So can I say that sine alpha is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse? So sine alpha is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, that is 8 over 17. So alpha is sine inverse 8 by 17. Alpha is sine inverse 8 by 17. Semi-vertical angle. Correct? All points clear? All points clear, bacha? Well done. Keep it up. So proud of you. Wow. Let's move on. Again, one more quality question. As you know, guys, for the past 2 days, we are doing all the important questions. We are doing all the important questions of CPO. And some of you have like really appreciated as well on my WhatsApps as well. I'm really really grateful. I'm really thankful that some of the people are saying that, sir, now the chances are looking very bright just doing all the quality questions with you in these sessions. Now the chances are looking very bright because we have a good collection of questions now in the session. P is a point outside the circle. P is a point outside the circle. N is 26 meter away from the center. Oh, wow. P is 26 meter away from the center. Good, 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 good. Now, a second PAB is drawn. Second means which intersect the circle at two distinct points. Second. Such that PA is 18 and PB is 32. Whenever you draw 2 seconds from outside, if 1 second is PAB and another is PCD, what is the relation? What is the relation? The relation is PA into PB is equal to PC into PD is equal to PC into PD. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So whenever you draw 2 seconds from outside, it is PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So, but there is only 1 second. How can we create one more? How can we create one more, guys? We can create one more like this. Because we know this particular distance. OP. This is radius, this is radius. If OP is given as 26 and this is R, can I say this is 26 minus R? I'm giving it a name of C. And what is PD? PD is becoming 26 plus R. PD is becoming 26 plus R. So PA is 18, PB is 32, PC is 26 minus R, and PD is 26 plus R. Question is over. Bacha, question is over. Question is over. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So just do this multiplication and enjoy the meal. 32 into 10, 320. 32 into 8 is this is how much? This is I think 676. It will become 576. 576 is equal to 676 minus R square. So R square is 100. So R is 10. You can cross check as well. You can cross check as well. Clear? Clear, guys? Well done, Rashmi. And well done, Ram. Well done, Charlie. And well done, all others. Perfect. Perfect. Oh ho. One more. One more. Well done, Charlie, Ram, Rashmi. Ram, Charlie, Rashmi, Pragati, Sri Lakshmi. Wow. Keep it up, bacho. Keep it up. Please do like and share the session as well if you like it. And all of you might be aware about the yesterday, the complete CGL, the evening complete CGL batch, guys, where we are reading from basics and we are reading till the highest level. We are reading from the basics and we are reading till the highest level. Okay. So never forget to join that batch, guys, at 5. Never forget to join that batch as 5. Sudeep invested 1 by 8 of a certain sum at 5% per annum for 2 years and 3 by 5 of the sum at this and the remaining. See the denominators 8 and 5. What is the LCM of 8 and 5? 40. So assume the sum as 40. Assume the sum as 40. So 1 by 8. First part is 5. Second part is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is 5. 5 8 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24. And the remaining part is 29, 29, 11. So these are the 3 parts of principle. These are the 3 parts of principle, guys. 5, 24, 11. 5, 24, 11. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, bacha. 5, 24, 11. First part at 5% for 2 years. First part at 5% for 2 years. Second part at 6% for 2 years. And third part at 10% for 2 years. And third part is at 10% for 2 years. You know, guys, simple interest is nothing but RT% of principal. Simple interest is nothing but RT% of principal. I am making it one more zero because I need to calculate their percentages. I am making it one more zero because I need to calculate their percentages. Well done, Sanjeev and Charlie. Well done, Sanjeev and Charlie. So 10%. 10% of 50 is 5. 12% of 240 bacha. 12% of 240, which is becoming 240 plus 48, 288 divided by 10, 28.8. And 20% of 110, 10% 11, so 20% 22. So interest is 27 plus 28.8, 55.8. 1674. 1674. Bacha, 8 3 ja 24 and 55 into 3 is 165. So can you feel the multiplication of 3 over here? So 1 is equal to 30. So 1 is equal to 30. So you might have identified the multiplication of 3 over here. So 1 is equal to 30. So principal is 400 into 30, that is 12,000. Good one. What do you say? Good one? Again, CPO 2019. Important one, guys. Important one. Any issues at any point, you can ask me. Any issues at any point, you can ask me, guys. I'm there in front of you just. Well done, Ram, Rashmi, Sanjeev, Putin. Next. Okay. Circular path area. Circular path area. Circular path area. Well done, guys. Keep sharing, keep liking the sessions. This motivates us to work even harder for you guys. Yeah, this motivates us to work even harder for you guys. And so that I would be like, every day I would be searching for important questions and just showing it to you directly so that you would be having a good practice over them. So that you would be having the good practice over them. So initially the area of the park is given. Initially the area of the park is given and park is circular. So you will say, sir, pi r square given. You will say, sir, pi r square given 12474. So 22 by 7 r square. 100% you will say, sir, कुछ भी हो जाए 11 का multiple होगा. Solve it by 11. 11 1 जा 11. 14, 11 1 जा 11, 37, 11 3 जा 33, 44. होना ही था. 2 will simplify 5 times, 13, 6 times, 14, 7 times, 567. हाँ, sure? चलो. 5 times 13 6 times, 14 7 times. ठीक है, 567. Okay. So R square is 7 into 567. Guys, try to take 7 common from here. 7. 7 8 is 56. Okay. Yeah. Now it has become easier. Because I was thinking that if it is a perfect square, there should be two perfect factors. So I take out 7 common from here and it becomes 81, which is also a perfect square. So radius is, out of 271 will come, out of 81 9 will come, 63. Radius is 63. What is the width of the circular path? The width of the circular path is, pi w d plus w. The width of the park is pi w d plus w. Sorry, the area of the path is pi w d plus w. The area of the path is pi w d plus w. So pi, width is 3.5, that is 7 by 2. D is diameter. Diameter is 126. W is again 7 by 2. This will give you the answer. This will give you the answer as it is. Yeah, this will give you the answer as it is. Do you want me to solve this? If yes, then 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into how much? 252 plus 7, 259 divide by 2. 9, 9 5 14, 1. However, guys, if you want not to do this, you can check the multiple of 11 as well. If you were lucky and there is only one multiple of 11, you can go for it. If you were lucky and there is only one multiple of 11, you can go for it. Like area of the path. You know it's pi w d plus w. So my answer should be a multiple of 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 8, 0, multiple of 11. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, oh, it is also multiple of 11. So two multiples of 11. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 minus 3, 3 multiple of 11. What a cruel man. Examiner was a cruel man. Only one option has got eliminated. Bacha, examiner was very, very shrewd. He has given 3 multiples of 11. So, only option was to go for. But could you believe, guys, that radius value you have find out at this step? So is it really worth after checking the multiple after doing this much? What do you say? Is it really worth that if you have done all this hard work, then after this only one step is remaining? Try to be honest. Bacha. Because the value of radius you have find out at this step. Because the value of radius you find out at this step. Is it really worth after checking the multiple after doing this much? Then better find out the area. Chalo, great. So, as you know, guys, that we at the exam We at the example are uh, like working huge on our offerings. The session is not over. The session is not over. We at the example are working huge over our offerings. Okay. So guys, this app is having the huge offerings. We are only the paid courses paid, rest all other are free. Yeah, rest all other are free. Like quizzes are there, job alerts are there, previous year PDF with the solutions are there, live tests are also started. Free courses are going to be started soon. Test series is there, guys. Study material, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly practice questions. Yeah, everything is free of cost. This is the way to download it. Go to the Play Store, search the Exampur app. You will find the Exampur official app. Install it, open it, register with the credentials, guys. Your name, date of birth, email address, password, phone book, state. Start using it, guys. It will give you lot of things, guys, at a single place. It will offer you lot of things at a single place, bacha. Chalo, let's finish the last two questions. Then see that how much time remains after that. Then let's see how much times remain after that. Is it really? Why? It can be. It can be. It can be. This is, I think, CGL 2022 question. Yeah. CGL 2020 question. And the path was also CGL 2020. Yeah. The path question was also CGL 2020. The path question was also CGL 2020. Y cube. Yeah, Rashmi, I think you are saying correct. It should be like this only. It should be like this only. However, we would be knowing the values of x and y so we can find out anything. However, we would be knowing the values of x and y so we can find out anything, but still, it should be like this only. Are you able to identify the values, guys? Are you able to identify the values by looking at the options? By looking at the options, are you able to identify the values or not? If not, then you have to do the squaring of 4x plus y का whole square. Do 4x plus y का whole square. Do 4x plus y का whole square. It will become 16x square plus y square plus 2ab 8xy. This is given as 48 and this is given as 2. So 48 plus 16 is 64. So I got to know 4x plus y ka square is 64. If I take the under root of it, then 4x plus y is 8. 4x plus y is 8. So examiner was very smart over here. Examiner was very smart over here. He has not given you those values which you can identify directly. He has not given you integral values which you can identify very easily. So he want to test your knowledge he want to test your like equation solving. He want to test your equation solving. Okay. Now after this, do the cubing. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to 8 ka cube. After do the cubing, guys. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. This is what they are asking. This is 12xy and 4x plus y is equal to 512. Find out this value. Xy is 2, so 12xy is 24. And 4x plus y is 8. So this desired value is, bacha, this desired value is 512 minus 24 into 8. 512, 8 4 ja 32, 192. A number in the zeros, a number ending in the zeros, all of them are 11 minus 9, 2, 4 minus 3. So it was a very, very important question, because here the question is made up of, that if the values are not integral, then how will you do it? If the values are not integral, then how will you do it? Values of x and y are non-integers here. Yeah. So if the values of x and y are non-integers, you have to do it like this. Clear? If the values of x and y are non-integer, you have to do it like this. So guys, as you can see, some good questions also comes. Yeah. As you can see, guys, some good questions also come. So never ever think like, okay, things are very easy. If we do not study, then also we will get through it. No, guys, it's not the situation. You have to study. You have to work hard. You have to work hard in the right manner. You have to work hard in the right manner, guys. You can learn from me. You can learn from me, guys, that in most of the examination, like whatever I have appeared, I got success very easily. Yeah, like sote sote chale gaye ho gaya. But in CGL, like it's 1500. Yeah, my best is like even my best has come after working. Okay. Because why it has happened, guys? Does anyone know why it has happened? Do you know, guys, why this has happened? Because it's a multiple tier exam. And what happens in multiple tier? What happens in multiple tier is that there are 3 to 4 hurdles. There are 3 to 4 hurdles. And you have to climb each one of them. Okay. So if you like, sometimes if one is the off day for you, then also it can create a problem. If out of those 4 days, if one is the off day for you, if out of those 4 days, if one is the off day for you, then also it can create a problem. CGL 2020. Write it as cos 19 complementary pair. Cos 19 plus cos 19 2 cos 19. Sec 19 plus sec 19 is 2 sec 19. Then tan A into, oh, this is not a square, bacha. This is not a square. Complementary pair tan A into tan B is 1. Complementary pair tan A into tan B is 1. Complementary pair tan A into tan B is 1. Complementary pair tan A into tan B is 1. Yeah. Complementary pair tan A into tan B is 1. Okay. Now, what about this? 45 minus alpha, 45 plus alpha are also complementary pair because their sum is also 90. Because their sum is also 90. So if angles are complementary, tan and cot are equal to each other. If angles are complementary, tan and cot are equal to each other, so they will cancel out each other. If angles are complementary, tan and cot are equal to each other, they will cancel out each other. So it is 1 minus 2 into 2, 4. Sec 19, cos 19, inverse of each other, cancel out each other. Any issues, guys, at any point, please do let me know. Any issues at any point, please do let me know. There was one more student, guys, you might be knowing him. Some of you might be knowing him as well. Like Akshay, you might be knowing him. So he also has the same point of view. Yeah, he also has the same point of view. And what was that? Sir, like even, okay. Sometimes CGL stucks. Sometimes CGL stucks. He's presently like reading in Amrachi. He will get the job as well. But he also has the same point of view, and he want to know the reason from me. Sir, why does it stucks? Yeah, because the reason is only the multiple tiers. Multiple tiers. He was asking, sir, if we can do much better in much quality exams, why does it creates problems? Okay, so bye bye, take care of yourself, guys. Have a great time. I will see you in the next session. Take care of yourself.